Hello, I am Teacher Tommie, aka Teacher Tommie Richard, your teacher. So we covered happiness. I explained from this book, A Simple Guide to Happiness, all about happiness, how it ties into being grateful, and how you can practice happiness just by thinking at least one thing to be thankful for, or saying I am thankful to yourself 10 or 8 times, and you'll instantly get happy emotions. How happiness is gratefulness, and there's also different ways you can explore happiness. But if you get this book, this positive affirmation book, A Simple Guide to Happiness, that has all these, it's a quote book. It has different lessons in it. It has quotes like, I'll show you. There's quotes like these in it. Then it touches on the different chapters I read, like Happy Mind, Happy Body. But if you get this book, A Simple Guide to A Simple Guide to Happiness, this is positive psychology to teach you everything you need to be happy. But bear in mind, the shortcut to all this is that happiness is thankfulness, being thankful. And how to actually apply this book is to be thankful. Think at least one thing to be thankful for. Say I am thankful 8 to 10 times to yourself, and happy emotions will manifest. Think at least one thing to be thankful for, real or fake, and happy emotions will manifest. Be grateful. Say I am thankful, and then things will start to erupt in a happy way. And also, this book works in reverse. If you think at least one thing to be unthankful for, you'll have unhappy emotions. If you say, I am unthankful 8 to 10 times, you'll have unhappy emotions. But to practice happiness, what you want to do is you want to buy this book, A Simple Guide to Happiness. And summary of it is that happiness is all gratefulness, but this is a good book. It's written and compiled by Barbara Paulding, illustrated by Lauren Wen, by Peter Pauper Press, Incorporated, White Plains, New York. This book is, if you want to learn positive psychology, want to know all about happiness, this book is the way to do it. But what I'm teaching you is a summary of all this book, is that happiness is gratefulness. And if you want to practice happiness, practice being grateful. Think at least one thing to be thankful for, and or just say I am thankful 8 to 10 times to yourself, and you'll be happy. And my positive psychology classes are being based on this book and my theory of this book, that the summary of this book is thankfulness. So I teach based on the theories of this book and my theory that the summary of this book is thankfulness, both backed up with fact too. We have this book's theory and my theory related to this book's theory. That's how my classes of positive psychology are being done, based on my theory and this book's theory. This book's theory is happiness based on what's written in my version of happiness, that happiness is all thankfulness, and how to practice thankfulness, and I tie it into this book. So thanks for attending the class.